welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to another exciting episode of Extreme Exotic Whips. Well, it is not too exciting in this situation because we have a situation for the conversation as we're about to make our next destination. And I know those words wrong, but anyway, it has something to do with the Z. Yes, yet again, you're probably wondering why is the hood up. I'm about to show you that in a moment though. But yeah, made it like a nice long drive. The drive was okay, and then something happened. You know, I had like a slight oil leak on the side, but I remember having that because it was like a valve cover gasket or something like that, where I had like a small gap, which I have intentions in fixing. I shouldn't have waited this long. But then we had this situation, and I'll show it right now, even though I already did most of the repairs. We just gotta test it real quick before I put everything back together. But check it out. Alright, so we have this situation going on right here. Like, yeah, took apart the intake, the cool air intake. I said, this is nice, by the way. Thank you, my boy Alex. He surprised me with a blue air intake. It was more blue than this, but got a little dusty. But it is fine, you know. But the situation was this on the side. You probably say, what the heck is going on here? Let's see if I could get the camera a little bit close. Yeah, because I got this sealant because there was a small little hole that popped up. Not sure if I can angle this as close as I can, like right here. And then there was a gap where the oil will leak through here a little bit. So now that we use the sealant, which is the JB Weld, which I have inside, well, actually in my bag, which is this thing, but we needed to seal the plastic, not metal. Thank God there was nothing with the metal parts, so just need another valve cover gasket, which is this thing, which I've found for cheap on eBay, which I don't mind ordering another one. But I think it's time to upgrade the Z anyway and probably go for $370. But that's a story for later. So yeah, so this is the culprit right here. So it was like a small little hole right here. Don't know how the heck that happened. I thought I was low on oil, but I wasn't low on oil. And there was a little gap like right here. So we're about to put everything back together and see how well this JB Weld is you know, working as it claims, as they say, that it's supposed to be a nice, incredible good weld. So we'll be back in like a couple of seconds. All right, that was like super duper ultra mega quick. So now that everything has been put back, now we're gonna give it the ultimate test and see if this stuff actually works. And gotta change that handle soon. So, well, it's been passed soon now. All right, hold on. Let's see if it will comply. Just gotta let it run a little bit. And that's from that sensor thing, which is an easy fix. I think it's better to just change the harness for that though. So now we gotta test it and see if there's any leaks. So far, so good. There's like no leaks from what I can see. So just gonna let it run for a little bit and see how it does, you know. We'll be back.
2 hours later.
Alright, it is the next day, and so far so good. We're not getting any smoke from, what's that, from not the engine itself, but as far as oil leaking from the crack manifold. So far we're doing pretty good. Let's go check out the results of our repair. All right, here we go. Welcome to the good outdoors. Not a place for a 350Z in the winter time, but and so far the sealant is doing its job. No leaks, no smoke, no nothing. So I guess after we gas up, I'll make sure I don't slam this. I guess we can go for a spin, but gas first. All right, gas time. Alright, with that being done, it barely could take the 50. I had to squeeze and force whatever little bit of gas that I have left in there. Alright, so far so good. Gotta add sounds. I mean, we're not gonna play music right now. And now, back to our cold starter. Yeah. Where does that need to go, baby? Oh yeah. Nice. Now let's take it for a spin. Alright, cool. So far, so good. Yeah, looks like she's running okay. Alright, 9,000 years later. As I always say, it looks like the stuff that the JB Weld has been holding up, no issues. I haven't been losing any oil, but I've been losing speed because of these slow-mos out here though. But yeah, it's definitely holding up though. But we out here with nature, baby. But I'll be back I guess in a couple of hours for y'all. It's gonna be a couple of seconds. Yeah.
The next day.
Alright, and then now it is time to see how this stuff held up. Cause the purpose of me using that stuff, well, the JB Weld, was to make sure that we wasn't losing any oil. I know this is not the most exciting video ever, but it's exciting to me because I don't need this Z to blow up right now, and we still got to do a few more things to it, and then we're gonna eventually go with the ultimate upgrade. And so far, the JB Weld has been doing this thing. No smoke, no oil leaking, no nothing. It's doing this thing. It's definitely doing this thing. Alrighty then. So as far as with that trip going on, man, I was scared. I thought the daggone well was not gonna hold at all. So I'm just got to, making sure that stays there. No leaks, no nothing. And that's the most important part. And we got the job done. Alright, so as far as me stretching this outro, I don't need to stretch this out any longer because I know y'all tired of hearing this regular boring stuff, but I had to make sure that the car was good. But anyway, on that note, like, comment, and subscribe and browse the channel. And like I said, you want me to get anything else as far as cars, events, anything, I've been super duper busy, so that's why the videos are a little bit spread out. So I apologize definitely for that. And then, like I said, you want to see anything, let me know. Just put it in the comment section. It's right there. Don't be afraid. And with that being said, definitely we catch y'all in the next one. We out.